You are about to find out the key levels for Blue Apron ticker APRN. Now, want to cover one thing first, because normally with these small cap stocks, I'm normally quite pessimistic, look more for the downside move. However, on Blue Apron, I can turn a bit more long bias now, and the reason for that is, look where we had our reverse stock split. This was around 640 is where this happened. After the release, we actually shot up, which is actually more of a rare thing. You tend to just sell off right away, and obviously then this move got sold into, which is to be expected, and then you broke below that level and continued this downward trend. Now this is normally what you see, and you tend to just see this trend continue. However, in this case on Blue Apron, we have seen a retest of the reverse stock split level, and then a second retest, and this is what led to the break, and now we're continuing to the upside. Now, once we kind of hold this level, that's when you can actually turn, or at least I can turn a lot more bullish on a stock like this, because now it's showing that more naturally they're able to get their prices up. And again, this is most likely just due to that earnings release. Now, what are key levels? Because we can see they're actually being respected really nice on the stock as of right now. So you had our first deviation at 775. We came into here, we had a bit of a pullback hesitation, and then we got that retest, and then we broke through. And then again, we've had more hesitation. This is at the 926 level. This is our anchored VWAP from the 1st of January, so a year-to-date anchored VWAP. And again, that's what's leading to this sell-off. So what I would be looking for on Blue Apron is a continuation pullback down to about 775. And then if we're able to hold that, then looking for that retest of 925. And again, that retest is always a lot more likely to break. So then looking for that break, and if so, we then have resistances at 10.50, 12.55, and $13.20. So the way I use these levels is, again, potentially could be long bias off this 775 and look for a target of 10.50. However, from 10.50, this is when I will turn short bias, and on a stock like this is when I will, if I was long, take profits. Or more in my case, probably when I will just open up more of a short position on it. So again, 10.50 will be kind of small size, and then I'll look to kind of relatively large size at 12.50, 13.20, just because these levels are a lot closer today, and we're a lot more extremely overbought coming into that level. Blue Apron is quite nice because even though it may be hard to borrow, it does obviously have the option chains, so we can just look to do either vertical spreads or some outright puts when looking to trade against it. And again, if you're more of a long bias trader, only looking to take it long, again, that can be great because you could even get long the shares and then buy puts to define that risk. So if for some reason we get a massive move to the downside, you're protected while you can still trade to those upside targets. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, why don't you check out this video, because you'll probably enjoy that one too.